I'm your huckleberry.
Hey guys, RC and more here. I just picked me up a new WPL. This is the C74-1. This is an upgraded model to their C74. Pretty cool little rig. It's got some extra features on it that the other one doesn't have. But before we get to it, we'll go through what came in the box. And you got your usual baggie of parts with a screwdriver. Looks like a Phillips head. And it's got the charger on it, mirrors. I see another emblem in there somewhere. Got some drive shaft pieces in here, I see. Got some decals. And there's like an antenna in here also. So there's some extra bits in there. Came with a battery. And then of course it comes with the remote. You got your steering alignment, steering rate. And I think that's for drag brake, I think. I tried to look at the instructions, didn't see it, but I think that's what that's for. And then of course the instructions come in English too, so that's a big help. So anyway, let me throw this stuff out of the way and then we'll get to the truck. Alright, let's get a closer look at this thing. We'll start out with the shocks actually. It's got friction shocks on it, which aren't the best, but it may give it more of a scale look when it's going across the trail. I don't know yet. I haven't driven it yet. It does have the 4-link suspension on it compared to the old one. The old one has the leaf springs in the rear. So I'm not sure if that's a plus or a minus. I think the 4-link is going to do pretty good, but I think everybody liked the leaf springs in the rear. It was more of a scale look. But I still like this. This is pretty cool. And supposedly it's got an updated motor and ESC too compared to the old one too. So once I try that out, we'll see how much better it does. Tires are hard plastic. I don't know how well they're going to do. I mean, I can feel a little bit of grip on them, but we'll see how that works. One cool feature is the other one didn't do. The doors open on this one. That's pretty cool. It's got a little magnet right there, holds the door in place. And two little, looks like plastic hinges. So, pretty cool looking. It has some other options too. Like I said, it's got the soft top on it compared to the old one had the hard top on it. But one thing that's cool about this one, the top comes off too. So, we will take it off, see what it looks like without the top on it. Alright, top's off. That's pretty easy actually. It has 2 screws right there to hold it in place. Top of there, and they screw in right there on both sides right there. But it actually kind of looks cool with the top on it. I like that a lot. And there's like the seat. Can't tell if the seat's coming apart. Yeah, the seat was coming apart. Squeeze that back together. But it looks pretty cool. I like that a lot. And makes it a lot easier to open the doors now. And my roommate noticed that the handbrake's on. Thought that was funny. I didn't realize that till he said something about it. But it has other features too. Actually, the windshield folds down, so that's kind of cool. I like that look also. And it has a few more features, so let me show y'all here. Here's the next thing. Window frames come off, so that's pretty cool. So I like that a lot. It looks better than windshield down with the window frames off of it. So, like I said, it's got pretty cool options on it. And there's still one option left we can go with to get the right look you want. So let's do that now. Alright, and here's the other option. You take the doors off completely. I think that looks pretty cool actually. I like that look a lot. One thing I recommend, when you got to pull the door panels apart, of course, to get to access to the doors and everything else. And one thing I wish they would have done, that's a little bitty magnet right here. Supposed to go in this little hole right there, and that boy, it just falls right out. So I really wish they would have glued that in. So I'm gonna glue it in, that way I'll quit losing it, because as I pulled the door panel off, it fell out. But I think that's pretty cool. Got a lot of cool little options on it for different looks. So now I'm gonna put it all back together. I'm gonna charge the battery up on it, and we're gonna go take it for a spin, see how it drives. So y'all hang tight. Well, guys, what do y'all think? I think it's pretty cool. This whole thing was under $100, so I think you get quite a bit for under $100. I have some more plans for it, so I'm not done with it yet. I actually have different bumpers for it. I've got a winch. I find it here. I got a winch I'm going to put on it. Found some mud flaps, and then some other bits I'm going to put on there. I also got new wheels and tires coming for it, and I'm going to pull it apart and paint it. So anyway, guys, y'all let me know what you're thinking down in the comments. I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, guys, y'all be good and take care.